Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to tell you about hashtag 30 weeks of pocket letters. Sabrina and I, from the Mismatch Crafter, we're talking and we're going to be doing 30 weeks of pocket letters. Where once a week on Wednesdays, we're going to upload a video of the pocket letter we've created. This is open to everybody that would like to join in. All we ask from you is, in your title bar, put hashtag 30 weeks pocket letters and load your video up on Wednesday. You can create however you want to create your pocket letter. It has to be a 9 pocket letter sleeve though, like this, a full page. Design it however you choose. You do not have to send it to anybody. It's just to show your workmanship, your craftsmanship, and share what you create. And if you choose to send it, you send it to someone. If you don't, you don't. I'm hoping you guys would like to join in this fun and just do a video and load them up on Wednesday with the hashtag in the title bar. Hashtag 30 weeks pocket letter. I hope many will join in this fun and I hope to see you. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me or Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter, and I'll have Sabrina's channel linked in the description box below. So, as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.